Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. So today's video is just going to be a really quick get ready with me video. I'm not going to be talking through the video or anything like that. It's just like you watching me get ready and creating this look here. For today's look, honestly, it's like 11 p.m. at night and I was just bored and I didn't know what else to do, so I just like threw this beat on. Obviously, if there's anything about the look that's just not your cup of tea, you can change it to your liking. I do realize that the lips and the eyes are like really bold, but that's just what I was feeling right now, so I just decided to, you know, put all of this together. So yeah, if you don't like any part of this, you know, just do you change it. But this is just like a little fun quick video I just wanted to post for you guys of me just playing around with some makeup and having some fun. So as always, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and comment down below, and as always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So thank you very much for watching, and let's just get right into this.